Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to lock your Facebook profile. For this, go to your on Facebook account. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings option. As you do it, you will get a search bar option on the top right corner. Tap on Search bar. Now tap on the search settings option, enter here lock profile. As you do it, you will get an option of profile locking just below profile and tagging. Tap on profile locking option. And if you're sure you want to make your photos and post more private in one step and you want to really lock your profile, tap on lock your profile option on the bottom. So here you can see that you have successfully locked your profile and only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. And if you agree with it, tap on OK option. So this is how you do it. This is how you successfully lock your own profile on Facebook. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video.